Hobbies are often seen as a way to unwind, relax and take a break from the demands of everyday life. But have you ever considered turning your hobbies into a source of income? The rise of the internet has opened up countless opportunities for individuals to monetize their passions and turn them into profitable online businesses. In this video, we will explore the world of profitable hobbies and provide tips and strategies for those who want to turn their hobbies into a source of income. Scope of hobbies. The scope of hobbies that can be monetized online is virtually limitless. Arts and crafts, sports, music, cooking, and gaming are just a few examples of hobbies that have the potential to generate income online. In fact, any hobby that you enjoy and are knowledgeable about can be turned into a profitable online business. Successful hobby-based online businesses. There are countless examples of successful hobby-based online businesses. One of the most popular examples is Etsy, a platform where individuals can sell their handmade or vintage items. Etsy has become a go-to platform for those who enjoy arts and crafts, with many sellers generating a full-time income from their passion. Another successful hobby-based online business is Twitch, a streaming platform that allows gamers to live to stream their gameplay and engage with their audience. Twitch has become a lucrative platform for gamers, with some of the top earners making millions of dollars per year. Advice on marketing and monetizing hobbies online. To monetize your hobby online, you need to identify your target audience and understand how to market your product or service to them. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your hobby-based business, so it's important to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. One effective way to monetize your hobby is to create digital products or courses that teach others how to do what you do. For example, if you're into cooking, you could create an online cooking course or an ebook with your favorite recipes. Another way to monetize your hobby is to sell physical products. You can use platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon to sell your products online. Just be sure to price your products competitively and offer excellent customer service to keep your customers coming back. Challenges and pitfalls to avoid. While turning your hobby into a profitable online business can be rewarding, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is competition. You'll need to find a way to stand out from the crowd and offer something unique and valuable to your customers. Another challenge is the need to constantly innovate and improve your product or service. You'll need to stay up to date with industry trends and customer preferences to ensure that your business remains relevant and profitable. Finally, it's important to remember that starting a hobby-based online business requires time, effort, and patience. Success won't happen overnight, so be prepared to put in the work and stay committed to your goal. In conclusion, turning your hobby into a profitable online business is a viable option for anyone who wants to monetize their passion. By identifying your target audience, creating engaging content, and offering a unique product or service, you can turn your hobby into a source of income. While there may be challenges along the way, the rewards of pursuing your passion and generating income from it are well worth the effort. So why not take the plunge and turn your hobby into a profitable online business today?